Hi everyone, welcome to SRB Academy of Accounts. Here all my preparations and presentations are only in exam point of view. Dear students, this channel is going to help to get better idea about all accountancy subjects. Watch my videos regularly to crack your exam with good marks. Subject: Accountancy. Chapter: Non-Profit Organization, Class 2. In previous video, we have seen simple introduction about non-profit organization and format performer for both receipts and payment account and income and expenditure account. Today we are going to see two simple and most important problem for your examination. Without delay, let's move on to the today's session. So this is the question number 1. From the following particulars of Kurinji Sports Club, prepare the receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st December 2018. So here are the 4 columns: particulars amount, particulars amount. From the first 2 columns, cash in hand 1/1/2018 4,000, salaries paid 3,000, life membership fees received 10,000, subscription received 15,000, rent received 2,000, and now third and fourth column, payment for printing charges 2,500, locker rent received 1,000, tournament receipts 14,000, tournament expenses 10,500, investments are purchased 25,000. So these are the informations. Here we are going to prepare the receipts and payment account. So receipt and payment account is nothing but just like a cash book. All receipts and payments should be recorded except non-cash items. Examples of non-cash items: outstanding expenses and depreciation. In receipts and payment account, debit all receipts and credit all payments. Before we work out the receipts and payment account, you check whether the given information, what are the items are receipts and what are the items are payments. Now we move on to the receipts and payment account. Receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st December 2018. You may divide 6 columns: receipts, amount, amount, payment, amount, amount. Start from debit side. To balance brought down, opening balance, cash in hand 4,000, cash at bank nil, and total 4,000. You put it in outer column. Now we look into the problem. Salary paid, payment side 3,000, life membership fees received, receipt side debit 10,000, subscription received, receipts 15,000, rent received, receipts 2,000. Let's move on to the receipts and payment account. And next we go to the by salary paid. How much? 3,000 rupees. To life membership fees received 10,000. To subscription received 15,000 and rent received 2,000 rupees. Now we go back to question. From third and fourth column, seal it one by one. Paid for printing charges, payment 2,500, locker rent received, income 1,000, tournament receipt, income 14,000, tournament expenses, expenditure 10,500, investment purchased, payment 25,000. Now we move on to the receipts and payment account. By paid up printing charges 2,500, to locker rent received 1,000, to tournament receipts 14,000, by tournament expenses 10,000, by investment purchase 25,000. And find the total. See, the debit side we have excess amount, and find the total. Debit side 46,000. The total amount you put into the credit side 46, and find the balancing figure. Cash in hand balancing figure, how much? 5,000 rupees. This is the simple problem for receipts and payment account, my dear. I hope you understood clearly, and we move on to the next second problem. Listen carefully. Let's see. Now the problem number 2. From the following particulars of Chennai Sports Club, prepare the receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Here also the 4 columns, the particulars amount, particulars amount. Start with first 2 columns. Opening cash balance 10,000, opening bank balance 15,000, interest paid 5,000, telephone expenses 7,000, upkeep of ground 22,500, life membership fees received 5,500, bats and balls purchased 13,000, subscription received 16-17, that's the previous year 4,500, 17 and 18 current year 65,000, 2018 and 19 subsequent year 5,000. Tournament expenses 12,500, tournament fund receipts 15,000, closing balance of cash 5,000 rupees. Before we work out the problem, we should identify the given information. What are the items belongs to receipts? What are the items belong to the payments? Now we move on to the receipts and payment account. In the books of Chennai Sports Club, receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2018, and make divide the sixth column receipts amount, payment amount, and start with the balance brought down, opening balance, cash in hand. So here 10,000 is given, cash at bank 15,000 is given, and total 25,000. Now we look into the question. Interest paid, payment 5,000, payment side. Telephone expenses, payment 7,000. Upkeep of grounds, payments 22,500. Life membership fees received, receipts 5,500. Bats and ball purchased, payments 13,000. Okay, let's move on to the receipts and payment account. Yes, by balance brought down, bank OD nil. By interest paid 5,000. By telephone expenses 7,000. By upkeep of grounds 22,500. To life membership fees 25,000. By bats and balls purchased 13,000. Now we go back to question. See my dear, this is a very important the subscription received. What is our current financial year 2017 and 18? We received 65,000. In 16 and 17, 4,500. So it means outstanding for the previous year received in current year. And see 18 and 19, subsequent year 5,000. So the amount related to the subsequent year but received in advance. All transaction we take into the receipts and payment account. So that is the special highlight of receipts and payment account. The tournament expenses, payment side 12,500. Tournament fund receipts 15,000. And closing balance of cash 5,000. Let's we move on to the receipts and payment account. See a subscription. 16 and 17 outstanding for the previous year. Add current year 17 and 18 subscription fee 65,000. 18 and 19 received in advance subscription fee 5,000. Total 74,500. And now tournament expenses 12,500. Tournament fund receipts 15,000. Closing balance carried down, cash in hand 5,000 given. The debit side receipts amount, the excess. Find the total 1,20,000. The same amount you put it in the credit side, payment side, and find the balancing figure. That balance is called a cash at bank. Balancing figure 55,000. Altogether total 60,000. Now we are in the end of today's session. I hope you understood very clear. Dear students, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get the further notification of my new upload. Thanks for watching.